on in the background because I'm about to watch Love and Marriage Huntsville. Hey y'all, so it's a new day, it's a new week. Today is Monday and I am about to start on the living room decor, or the like office space decor that I've been telling you guys about. So it's basically, I've been using this kitchen area, which is where, it's some light in here, where the kitchen table would have been if I was doing like a dining room table. I've been using this area over here to kind of like hoard all my junk. Every Amazon box or like new furniture thing box, I like take it apart and I put it over there until I can break down the boxes and then take them to the compost that's like down the street. So I figured I need to go ahead and start on this grass screen wall that I'm going to do as a DIY. I ordered the grass off of Amazon. The link is going to be below. I'm going to try to do it two different ways because I've seen it done two different ways on Instagram. On YouTube. One way is where they use staples. There's like glitter on my lip. And the other way is where they use thumbtacks. So I'm going to try to do it the thumbtack way at first just to see. And I wanted to go ahead and start on it today because my housewarming is actually going to be this weekend. So I have, what is that, like 6 days to go ahead and get the main parts of my house done because I'm having like a small group gathering. Everyone knows COVID, Corona, whatever. So I'm only gonna have like 5 people over just to see it. To mostly its completion. I've gotten all the large furniture pieces that I'm gonna get, which was the bedroom, the couch, and the desk. Those are the 2 large furniture pieces that I have. So everything else is just going to be finishing touches. This is the couch. I love her. Those aren't staying. It just so happened that they match. The little thing matches, the little back piece matches, but pictures are going to go in there. And we still have to get a rug. And I'm doing the TV next month. And I'm going to go ahead and start in the office space now because I feel like that is another main thing that I need to go ahead and try to tackle before I start. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox the green grass. Let me go grab it. And behind me, that is a box spring that I did not need. So I'm selling it on Facebook Marketplace. But no one's has come to get it. But my bed is actually gonna be sponsored content, so I don't need the bed that's on there now. So I'm just waiting until that bed comes in so I can sell them both as a set. I got 12 panels. And like, I know a grass green wall is cliche, but it's something I've always wanted. Like the same way I feel like neutral homes are kind of cliche. Like everyone has like neutral homes now, like nude and gray and whatever, but it's what I wanted. Like I've always wanted a gray bed frame. I've always wanted gold accents in my house. So I've always wanted a green grass wall. I've always thought they were cool. All right, so I got 12 panels. I know this is not going to be enough, but I figured, or actually, no, it's definitely not going to be enough, but I'm only going to need one more box. I feel like this is it. I think it looks very cool, very real, very vibrant, picking up, very pretty. So let me get the thumbtacks. I feel like this is going to be easy. All right, y'all, let me go ahead and get the thumbtacks and make some shake. So I think this is going to be really easy. I put 3 thumbtacks in the first one that's at the top, and then it has these like little connector holes on here. So I'm just gonna connect them all, and then let me zoom in so y'all can see a little bit better. So we are back. I put my ring light up so you guys could see me a little bit better. I had to make a quick run to Lowe's because I felt like I didn't have enough thumbtacks and I didn't want to slow myself down. I did the measurements of how much I'm going to have to get, and I think I'm going to need one more pack of 6 to go here because I'm going to have to cut these in half for the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see. It doesn't quite go all the way to the bottom, but one full panel, there we go. One full panel doesn't fit down there, so I'm gonna have to get another pack of 6 for there and for here because I think 1 1/2 should cover the bottom, so that will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 split up. That's what, 2 1/2, and then a half for here would be another 3 1/2. So high hopes, but we're gonna go ahead and get back to it. Now that I have my thumbtacks, I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on mute. Not mute, but put some music on. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on in the background because I'm about to watch Love and Marriage Huntsville. On me, but I was able to get half of it done, and then I ordered it overnight via Amazon, so I'm about to do the other half now. I hope that it's going to be enough because, like I said, it's still not touching the ground, so I'm not sure if I'm going to have to order a third one to go down here or if I'm going to do something with the ground down there, well, the bottom part of the wall. So we're going to start again, and let's just go ahead and knock the rest of this out. Because your girl is tired. I'm tired of putting these things on the wall. At least I want to do the top because I'm tired of getting up there.